Today in our 2015 Kia Optima, we'll be having a look at and installing the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with a 4-pole flat trailer connector, part number C56058. Here's what our wiring looks like installed. As you can see, it's designed to be hidden inside of our vehicle to help protect it from the elements and so we don't have to worry about it becoming damaged when we are loading cargo in and out of our trunk. When we're ready to use it, we can just drape it to the side here of our trunk latch, and it'll dangle down by our hitch. Close our trunk up on over it. Now this wiring harness gives us the basic lighting functions that are required by law in order for us to safely and legally tow a trailer. This white wire here provides our necessary ground between our Optima and our trailer so our lights work properly. Brown wire here, that is for our tail light and running light circuit on our trailer. And on that circuit we have a total power output of 5 amps. Which is an adequate amount of power to tow a trailer with a few incandescent light bulbs or about as many LED lights as we want, because LED lights do draw less power. Yellow wire here, that is for our left turn signal and left brake light. And on that circuit we have 3 amps of power output. If we have 2 or 3 incandescent lights for our turn signals and brake lights on that side, not going to be an issue. Again, with LEDs, we could probably run about as many as we want. Our green wire, that is for our right turn signal and right brake light. And again, on that circuit, we have the same 3 amps of power output as we did on the left side. Built into our wiring harness here with this dust cover. This will help protect our wiring when it's not in use. I also recommend to put some dielectric grease inside the connector. This will help better protect it from corrosion and moisture damage. We have that available on our website if you'd like to purchase some. Now that we've gone over some features, we'll show you how to get it installed. To begin our install, we'll open up our trunk. We'll undo all of our cargo net hooks. There's 4 of them, 2 per side. We'll take our floor covering out here, set that aside. Okay, we're going to remove our threshold here. In order to do that, we have 2 pieces of hardware on each side, a plastic screw here, we'll undo with a Phillips head center, then we can just pull out the whole fastener. We have another fastener here, just use a trim panel tool on it. To pull it on out. Now we can grab our threshold, lift straight up on it, and it'll come out. On each corner of our vehicle behind our tail light, we have a fastener that secures our carpet in place. We'll just pop that out with our trim panel tool. And we should be able to grab our carpet and peel it on back and have access to our connector here for our tail light. We'll push it on this tab here and pull back to separate the wiring. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, on our driver's side, we'll be using the T-connector here that has the yellow wire. These only go in one way. Our white wire here, the ring terminal, this is our ground. We'll just remove this 10mm nut right here that holds our tail light in place and put this on the stud and reinstall the nut. Okay, that'll give us a nice solid ground. Now on the back side of our module here, we'll flip it on over, take our double-sided tape, peel off one side, stick it on there, press down nice and firmly, peel off the other side now, and we'll place this onto a flat surface behind our carpet. Right here will be fine, and we'll press down firmly. Now we've routed our connector for the passenger side, the one with the green and red wires, over across where our threshold goes, place it behind our carpet, and make our connections. Okay, we went ahead and secured up our wiring here for our passenger side along where our threshold goes with a couple zip ties. And now we'll replace all of our panels the same way that we removed them. Okay, now we'll test our wiring. We're using a 4-pole flat trailer tester to do this. It's part number I26 on our website. The reason we're using this versus hooking up to our trailer is because if we had a wiring fault on our trailer, we wouldn't be able to tell if the wiring on our vehicle is good. We'll turn our headlights on now. And with our headlights on, you'll see that our tail light and running lights are working fine. Left turn signal, that's working. Right turn signal, that's working. We'll step on the brakes, those are working. Now we'll test our turn signals while our foot's on the brake. And everything's working properly. And that completes our look at and installation of the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with 4-pole flat trailer connector, part number C56058 on our 2015 Kia Optima. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.